So you can manually transfer these pieces over, or you can use this. One that's already been pre-done. It makes life really easy, supposedly. I've never actually tried using this yet. I figured, why not? Of course, if this is just for the 12, then it's not going to work. I don't know. I guess I don't have the ones for the mini. They are different. I thought they'd be the same. So you want to transfer all those pieces over, and you want to transfer a mic piece over. This thing is kind of a dumpster fire. I lost the mic piece, and on top of it, the phone is bent. So what we're going to do is glue it down. So once you've transferred all the little pieces, then you can watch my 12 Pro Max video seeing how to do it. And you transferred the microphone there, microphone ear speaker, and glued it down with T7000, then you can do this. For whatever reason, the glue is giving me a little trouble here. No, it doesn't. No, my glue's out. That's just nice. Look like there's a little bit more left in here, but apparently not. Normally, a little tip would work great to put glue all around, but this decided to break off inside the canister, causing this to be even more of a nightmare of a phone. Just nice. Well, that's my problem. If glue leaks out like that, that's not good. See if I can get this thing pressed down anymore. No, don't poke in there. normally like a nice little bead around all this. This is a very bad example video when it comes to how exactly this should be done. I'll probably remake another video in the future when I get another 12 mini, but this is the first 12 mini I've came across, and dumpster fire turned into a bigger dumpster fire, so that's just life. Normally I use some T7000, but at this point it's kind of pointless because of everything that's going on with this phone. It needs a new frame for sure. That way the magnets and that gets replaced and the bend problem gets fixed. If you have a customer waiting for you, I recommend taking off this plastic here. And putting some tape down. And then when you tell them to take off the tape, make sure you take it from this side off. Put down a lot of pressure. And tell them to leave it for 24 hours. And if your phone's that bent, your room probably tell them it might come up too. It might not, who knows. Might have been a good repair for all I know. My absolute favorite color in a phone too. I love this deep blue. I wish they did that for the Max. Alright, so, and then once you got the tape down, then you're going to need to cut some holes in the charge port. That way they can still charge. Because, you know, no phone for 24 hours, that's never good. And then cut some holes for the microphone and speaker. Make sure you don't cover any of the power buttons. If you do, untape it, fix it. Cut a hole for this. Your speaker, that way that's clear. If this has come up a little bit, tape that down too, but mine is not. Looks like we're golden. Alright guys, well, please like or subscribe. Like and subscribe, and more of these videos coming in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.